The IT industry is far beyond coding, call center roles, or data entry. It encompasses over 20 diverse domains where you can build a thriving career. By honing your skills and specializing in your field, success will naturally find its way to your doorstep.
We will provide an overview of some of the most promising IT domains, the essential tools and technologies used in those domains, and the career opportunities that await you.
We would like to introduce you to some of the most important tools and technologies that are driving the IT industry across different domains, especially in product sector. These tools help professionals build, manage, and innovate in various aspects of IT, from development and data science to cloud computing and cybersecurity. Let's go through them briefly, categorized by their relevant domains. 1. Programming languages. Programming languages are the foundation of most software development. Python and Java are great for general-purpose programming. JavaScript, TypeScript, and Ruby are commonly used in web development. C++ and C# are essential for system-level and game development. Swift and Kotlin are used for mobile app development. 2. Web development. Web development is divided into front-end, back-end, and databases. Front-end tools like HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript are used to create interactive and responsive user interfaces. Frameworks like React.js, Angular, and Vue.js help speed up development. On the back-end, tools like Node.js, Spring Boot, and Django help manage server-side logic. Databases such as MySQL, MongoDB, and PostgreSQL are used to store and manage data. 3. Mobile app development. For mobile apps, we have frameworks like React Native and Flutter for cross-platform apps, Swift for iOS development, and Kotlin for Android. 4. Cloud computing. Cloud services allow companies to scale quickly and efficiently. Major platforms include Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, GCP. Technologies like Docker, Kubernetes, and OpenStack help manage cloud infrastructure. 5. DevOps and CI/CD tools. In DevOps, we have tools for automation and continuous integration, such as Jenkins, GitLab CI, and Travis CI streamline the deployment process. 6. Version control. For version control, Git is widely used, with platforms like GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket helping teams collaborate effectively. 7. Operating systems. Every IT professional needs to be familiar with operating systems such as Linux, Windows, and Mac OS. 8. Networking and cybersecurity. Security is critical in IT. Tools like Wireshark, Kali Linux, and Metasploit help test and secure networks. 9. Data science and machine learning. Data science has exploded, with Python libraries like Pandas, TensorFlow, and Scikit-learn helping process and analyze data. Apache Spark and Hadoop support big data. 10. Business intelligence and analytics. Tools like Tableau and Power BI allow businesses to visualize and analyze their data to make smarter decisions. 11. Software testing tools. Quality is key, and tools like Selenium, JUnit, and Postman help automate and verify testing. 12. Project management and collaboration tools. For managing projects and teams, Jira, Slack, and Trello keep everything organized and on track. 13. UI/UX design and prototyping tools. To design intuitive interfaces, tools like Figma, Sketch, and Adobe XD are widely used in the industry. 14. AR/VR, augmented reality, virtual reality. For immersive technologies, Unity 3D and Unreal Engine are key platforms for AR/VR development. 15. Blockchain and cryptography. Blockchain is revolutionizing industries with technologies like Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Hyperledger. 16. AI and NLP. Artificial intelligence and natural language processing have tools like OpenAI API, Google AI, and Spacey that power intelligent systems and chatbots. 17. Virtualization and containerization. For efficient system management, Docker and VMware are the go-to tools for containerization and virtualization. 18. Automation tools. Automation tools like UiPath and Blue Prism are transforming industries by automating routine tasks. 19. Content management systems, CMS. When it comes to building websites, tools like WordPress, Joomla, and Shopify make content management simple and efficient. These are just a few of the core tools and technologies shaping the IT industry. As you pursue your career in IT, we encourage you to explore these technologies based on your interests. Whether you're passionate about coding, data science, or network security, mastering the right tools will help you succeed in this dynamic and ever-growing field.